We start on the athletics field, where it is now official that the 2015 International Kass Marathon is going to be held on the 15th of November. The organizers have made slight changes to the route, promising an even more interesting and competitive race. The Kass International Marathon registration is currently going on, and about 800 participants have registered so far.
That the Kass International Marathon has continued to grow is not in doubt. This year's edition hopes to register about 8,000 participants. According to the Chief Executive Officer of Kass Media Group, there has been a slight adjustment to the route.
The county government of Wasingishu, the county government of Elgeyo Marakwet, who've been with us in this race over the years. And we're happy that when the devolved government came in, they also came in to give support and other logistics that we require on the ground.
Kass Marathon is nostalgic for former world champion Wilfred Bungei and Benjamin Limo, because it is through such locally organized marathons that Kenyans have managed to produce world record holders, and hope this year's race will be very competitive. However, they have warned participants against doping.
Many of us started participating in these races for us to be able to conquer out there. And I think I'm one person that I've always advocated for many sponsors to come out and sponsor even athletes.
The chairman of Kass Media Group hopes through local partnerships the marathon can continue to grow, and hope the government can give tax rebates to local companies that give back to the community.
I must appreciate all athletes, including Bungei and others, who have done service to this great nation. And I think all of us need to question ourselves and say, what have we done to enhance the visibility of the brand, the Kenya nation?
The 9th edition of the Kass International Marathon is scheduled for the 15th of November and will cover 3 counties of Nandi, Elgeyo Marakwet and Uasin Gishu. Standard Group, that is the marathon's media partner, will air the event live courtesy of the KTN platforms. Hassan Juma, KTN Sports.